Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'm going to share with you a small cupboard of mine where I keep all my beauty products, hair care products, body care products, everything. So let's start. So this is the cupboard which has 3 shelves. So starting from the first shelf, skin medicine, this is Borolin, this is a small artificial earring box. I think I should keep it here. So this is a section of lipstick. I don't know how many lipsticks are there. I don't know. These are lip liners, kajal, concealer, and what else I have? Another kajal. This is kajal pencil. This is that Lakme Colossal Kajal. This is highlighter. These all are lip liner. This is the cream that my mother used, and this is perfume, nail paints, 2 nail paint. I am not a nail paint person. I like keeping my nails very much natural, and I do bite nails, so I don't like putting nail paints a lot, and it really becomes a headache that your when you go out, your nail paint should match your dress and all, but I don't get into all these things. This is sunscreen lotion. Actually this bottle was about to be empty, and I had a small containers of moisturizer, sample packages of small face cream and all, so I emptied all those things into this container. So now this is actually lotus sun, everything just in one container including sunscreen. This is body oil. This from Kyo Carpin, my favorite. This is coconut hair oil. This hair oil my father used. I don't like it. I was once a big fan of this, but now the smell of it is really like my mood got changed and I don't feel like using it anymore. This is from Nihar Natural. I like keeping hiding my things, that brand that I use. This is Bajaj almond oil. I like it. This is mustard oil. This is camphor oil in case I have any skin irritation. This is comb stand. This spare hairbrush, comb, wooden comb, scissors, pocket perfume. This is a small spare pump. This is what is this? This is oil, hair oil. This is antiseptic cream from Himalaya. This is my personal razor, personal stuff. And what else? I have a food scrub and a pack applicator. I think I should keep it here. Leave it. This is actually its chain got broken, so I used it keeping my hair, rubber band, my pastel band and all. Now moving this aside, this is a very when I was not born also, I don't know from where this box, my mother got this box from someone, or I don't know the history of this box. This is very old box and I like palette. My father bought this. I don't know which brand is this, but he has gifted me, so I like using it. I'll the review of this product I'll make. What is this? The review of each of this thing I'll do in a separate video. This is eyeshadow. This is my foundation from Revlon. This is my shimmer powder. This is a legendary what to say, rouge or blush, which my mother had purchased during her marriage. It is from Blue Heaven. Blue Heaven. Yeah, it's written here at the back, I think. It's from Blue Heaven. I had read it somewhere. It was from Blue Heaven. It's from Blue Heaven. I know it. It's from Blue Heaven. And this is Cameo shimmer, golden shimmer powder, my favorite party thing. And this is mirror, and this is my small manicure. I have tools kept here. This is all my Juda pins which I have dumped it behind. I don't even know. All my Juda pins are here. Moving on to the second shelf, here is my Hina, my razor which I use it. I'm a girl, I use it, I don't mind. This is my rubber rubber band. This is my all artificial jewelry item, artificial everything. This is all my again that rubber band and all those Juda pins, Juda band, and artificial hairs. My all items when I used to learn my beautician course. Then these all the stuffs are still kept here. This is the soap which my father had, monthly purchase of soap, toothpaste. These all are hair conditioners which I got from free in hair color package. So I don't use it much because it's not nice, but in case of emergency, or if I'm in short of any conditioner, then I use it. This is my lens case. This is I went for my office work, then I got this toothpaste from there. Small Lifebuoy soap. This is a set of all spectacle box. My family is, we are 4 members and all are chashmish, so old and new specs are kept here. This is the sponge, my favorite thing, my makeup applicator, my this is a spare one which I don't use at all. I just kept it in case if I have to clean anything. This is my sanitary what is this, toothpaste. This is hand gloves. Now I hope you have gone through the first. Oh, I've missed this. Let me go through this one. So this was actually a sweet box or a mithai ka dabba tha ye. So here the inner compartments was so nice that I washed it and used it for keeping my things well in place. So these are all pastel small rubber bands which my mother used. This is a small knife in case I have to go out and for safety reason. This is small Navratan oil in case we need a cool head massage. Small pin section, bindi section for my mom. This is my mother's hair clip section. These are actually used daily, so I've taken out and kept it. इसको अच्छे से पहले अरेंज कर लेते हैं, फिर लास्ट के सेक्शन में मूव ऑन करेंगे. I missed it. This is my only makeup brush and I like it. I don't want to purchase, but this is my only makeup brush. I use eyeshadow from my hand and I prefer it using from my hand because I find it comfortable and I don't think so कोई ब्रश से इतना अच्छे से लग पाता होगा. मेरा तो कोई ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस था नहीं. तो मेरा मेकअप का एक ही बॉक्स में रहता है. यहाँ मेरा कोम रहता है, यहाँ ऑयल रहता है. फेस के हिसाब से देखा है तो आई टेक अ वेरी लेस केयर ऑफ माई फेस. तो सारे क्रीम इसी में डाल के रखा हुआ, इंक्लूडिंग सनस्क्रीन, बॉडी लोशन, जो भी था जितना था सब एक में डाल दिए. दिस इज़ माई Roop Mantra Zero Pimple Gel. This is a medicine of my face which I used to use. It is nice and I got in a PR package, but I use it as a medicine and it is really very effective. So this is my lens case. And what else? I think I'm not missing anything. This is the kajal which my mom uses it and she loves it. It's a homemade kajal. This is Sindoor box. This is Borolin. Ye koi daad ka. This is Synthol Deo Talc. This is Garnier Micellar Water which I have almost used it. Only this much is left. It's very nice. I like it. Many people say that it doesn't remove makeup properly. It removes my makeup very well. What else is there? Extra container of coconut hair oil, Nihar, Jasmine. These are one of my expensive shampoos. And this is my face pack from Biotic. These two are my extra package of compact powder, my wax box, like cold wax. यूजली हम घर में ही वैक्स करते हैं अपना, तो ये वो है. और इसके अंदर ये एक लोकल सा पाउडर है जो हम लोग संक्रांति में बांटने के लिए ख़रीदे थे. इसका स्मेल अच्छा था, सो आई केप्ट 1 बॉटल, बट आई डोंट यूज़ इट. आई ओनली यूज़ फॉर स्मेल करने के लिए. इसमें बेबी का पिक्चर्स है, सो आई लाइक इट. What is there in this? This is toothpicks. This is pure chandan powder, and this is my small small clip. क्या बोलते हैं, क्लच है इसके अंदर. स्मॉल पाउडर, लेजेंडरी पाउडर, बहुत छोटे थे तब मिला था एज गिफ्ट फ्रॉम माई चाचा जी. सो दिस इज़ मैसूर सैंडल पाउडर. आई डोंट नो वो ब्रांड अभी भी है या नहीं. रखे हैं एज अ मेमोरी. ये मेरा कलर मिक्स करने का कंटेनर है. एक्स्ट्रा सिंदूर, सम फ्यू एम्प्टी बॉक्स है इसके अंदर. व्हाट इज़ देयर? माई फादर लाइक्स यूजिंग कलरिंग हिज हेयर समटाइम्स फ्रॉम दिस टूथब्रश, सो वो रखा हुआ है. दिस इज़ लोटस फेस स्क्रब. This is my conditioner from Revlon, Dove body wash, my lens solution, my you know, serum oil, my Dove conditioner. This is Dove conditioner. This is my face pack again from Himalaya. This was buy one get one free one. This is again from Revlon, color protection conditioner. This is my serum oil. This is, what is this then? This is coconut cream oil. Yes. So I think I'm like pretty much मेरा next 6 to 7 months का, not even 6 to 1 साल तक का तो stuff है इसमें, तो मेरे को उतना भी, you know, I don't need to purchase anything. This is a rubber band which I got, not rubber band, hair band, which I got as a gift item from I don't know who. Now what else is there? This is my face massage machine, small. This is my father's mummy papa ka hair color. A small travel size package again of Nihar and Jasmine, and this is again that legendary powder. One more was there, let me keep it here. I like my small छोटा सा कवर. You know, I see many YouTubers जिनका, you know, बहुत भरा भरा रहता है. अच्छा है भरा भरा, बट उतना परचेज I don't, मतलब उतना घर में अलाउ भी नहीं है परचेज करना, ना मेरा उतना मन है. बट हाँ, लिपस्टिक के केस में आई रियली वॉन्ट कि एक एटलीस्ट एक तो मैं एक वो लूँ ट्रांसफ़र प्रूफ लिपस्टिक. ये छोटा सा पानी स्टोर करके रख रखे. दिस इज़ माई दिस इज़ माई फेवरेट, वेरी मच यूजफुल इन विंटर सीजन. दिस आई बॉट फ्रॉम बीकानेर. दिस इज़ गांधी पेट्रोलियम जेली. बीकानेर में इसको गांधी छाप बोलते हैं. बहुत अच्छा है, वैसलीन जैसा ही है, वैसलीन का जुड़वा भाई है. दिस इज़ मुल्तानी मिट्टी. ये हेयर कलर के साथ का था यहाँ पे, बट यहाँ रख रखे. दिस इज़ माई ऑल कर्लर्स, माई स्ट्रेटनर कर्लर कुछ काम नहीं आता, बस वैसे ही पड़ा शोकेस की तरह. दिस इज़ माई वैक्स शीट. दिस इज़ यू नो, सारा एक्स्ट्रा टूथपेस्ट रखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. सो दिस इज़ माई फेशियल किट, 2 फेशियल किट. दिस इज़ एम्प्टी बॉक्स जिसमें थोड़ा कुछ, यू नो, छोटा छोटा कुछ स्टोन गिर जाता है कोई चीज़ का, या वो सब स्टोर करने काम आता है. दिस इज स्मॉल कंटेनर्स जो कोई फेशियल कुछ भी आइटम स्टोर करने, यू नो, काम आ जाए. ईयररिंग्स, और इसके अंदर ढेर सारा वो है, ये जो आप देख रहे हैं ना, ये सारा इसके अंदर और भी स्टोर है. और छोटा छोटा जो सोप होता है जो नहीं आया, ये मेरे पापा मेरे को बर्थडे गिफ्ट दिए थे 3 साल पहले. आई शैडो पैलेट जो कि अभी तक फ्रेश पड़ा है. कोई ऑयली ब्रांड करके है, बट अच्छा है ये वाला. इसको तो आई यूज़ इट एकदम हल्का हल्का करके, बहुत अच्छा है, और एक बार में अप्लाई होता है. इसको यूज़ नहीं किया, एक बार जब ट्राई किए थे तब का है. इन दिस आई हैव ऑल व्हाट आई हैव इन इट, ऑल एक्स्ट्रा स्क्रबर्स, यू नो, वो जो बाथ स्क्रब होता है, एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल बॉक्सेस एंड ऑल. ये कभी खोलते भी नहीं हम, इसमें दिखा के भी कोई फ़ायदा नहीं. मेन जो चीज़ था जितना आई हैव शोड यू ऑल. सो दिस वॉज माई स्मॉल 3 shelf cupboard where I keep all my, you know, stuffs. Hope you have found my video useful and enjoyed watching it. If you did so, then please do make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you next time with another video. Till then, bye.